I love using annatto. I love it in food. I love cooking with it. Whenever Ibo cooks annatto chickpeas, like that's what I have to have. Him know when him cook that, him know to tell me. I cook chickpea annatto, you know, and that's definitely what I will choose to eat. But myself, I love cooking with it. I use it a little bit stronger than he does because I just love the taste. I love the flavor that it gives. I love to use it in many different ways. I use it in a stew. I use it to cook ackee. I use it to cook mushrooms the other day. That was really good. Oh gosh, that was good. You can use it to make medicine, and I think one of the best ways to make medicine with it is to soak it in some oil. Coconut oil is good. It's a good oil, but any oil that you have that won't go bad quickly, you can soak it in and take a teaspoon of the oil every day, and that's your vitamin E boost. Annatto is the highest source of vitamin E, and this has been studied, right? So I'm not talking out of my ass. There is research that proves this, that it is the best source of vitamin E. And vitamin E is an antioxidant. It helps your body to fight free radical damage, you know, so that's going to protect you from diseases like cancer, protect you from premature aging. So it helps to preserve your youth, preserve your cells, preserve your body, right? So, and fight off disease and prevent disease. So it is essential. It's also, of course, really good for skin. You know, vitamin E is really good for the skin, and a good preservative in general. You know, my goddess deal soap, annatto is what's in it, along with turmeric. And you know, initially I don't know if I shared this already, but initially I had planned to just do an annatto soap and not add turmeric, but so many people were asking me for a turmeric soap. I was never really interested in making a turmeric soap, but because I was asked for it so much, I just decided to make it in this soap along with the annatto. But I think I'm going to change it and just take out the turmeric, just make it annatto alone, and promote annatto and push it, because it is a great indigenous plant, indigenous to this region, and our ancestors use it a lot. So to use the anata is really honoring our ancestors and their traditions. So when you eat them food, yeah man, it's like you're communing with your ancestors. It does have a fragrance, like right now it smells like a plant. It's giving the essence of a plant, you know. These are young, so the it's very, it's oily, not dry out yet. Instead of grinding it today, I'm gonna put it down for a little bit, allow them to dry, because when you're grinding it, when it's wet like this, it will stick up, and I don't want that. I want it to be like powder. So I'm gonna put it to dry. So this is what Jamaicans call dumplings, but I'm not using wheat flour. I'm using a gram flour, which is chickpeas, and also this bambara nuts flour, which I got at an African grocery store in Chicago when I went for the Empress Menen Day celebration. And this was the only thing that I got in that African store. I was very disappointed, but you can tell from the nutritional value that this is good stuff.